So numbers is the topic which we are going to see today. In numbers, what we are going to see is a classification of numbers first, and then we'll go for the further details about each classification. Numbers is classified as real numbers and imaginary. So here what we are going to see is only real numbers. So imaginary, that is minus 1 the whole root. So these kind of numbers we are now going to see. This is coming under the complex numbers. So we'll see only the real numbers. Real number classification, you have the first classification as negative, 0 and positive. So negative, which is anything which is lesser than 0. So minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, all these are negative numbers. Positive, which is above 0. 2, 1, 5, 5 by 2, all fractions, everything is positive. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is called neutral. 0 is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. And also you should be aware when they say non-negative. So what is the meaning of non-negative? What is the example of non-negative? So non-negative, which is not negative. So it can be 0 or positive. So whenever they give, like x is a non-negative integer, so you have to consider 0 as the first priority you have to give for 0, and then for the positive numbers, because there are 3 categories, and in the 3 categories, 0 is the only one number in that category, and positive numbers. Similarly, if they say non-negative numbers, it can be either 0 or positive, or non-positive numbers, 0 or any negative numbers. So next, we'll see the next classification. Rational, irrational. So what is rational, what is irrational? Rational numbers. Rational numbers, any number which can be written as p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called rational numbers. So p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. We can say any number as 3 by 7, 10 by 4, minus 7 by 8, all these are rational numbers. And also 2, 3, 4, because 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 is 2 by 1, 2 is an integer, 1 is also integer, 2 can be written as 2 by 1, and 2 is an integer, 1 is an integer, therefore it is written as p by q, therefore it is rational numbers. Then which is irrational number? Irrational numbers. A number which cannot be rationalized or which cannot be defined, that is called irrational numbers. So irrational number example, for example, root 2. So what is the value of root 2? There is one more definition for the rational number, that is one is like p by q, where p and q are integers. The other definition for the rational number is a number which terminates after the decimal or repeats after the decimal. For example, if you have 1 by 3, the value of this is 0.333. 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Either it repeats after the decimal or it terminates after the decimal. So these are called rational numbers, because these numbers can be written as p by q, 5 by 2 or 1 by 3. How about root 2? What is the value of root 2? We say it is 1.414. What is the exact value of root 2? That is not yet defined. Nobody knows what is the exact value of root 2, because it doesn't repeat after this, neither it terminates. It is having some random values. So therefore, we cannot say the exact value of root 2 or what is the value of pi. The pi value is 3.14. It doesn't repeat, neither it terminates after this. You have different values here. Therefore, this is not a rational number. It is irrational. At the same time, 22 by 7, which is also equal to pi, but this is rational number, because what is the value of 22 by 7? 22 by 7 is 3.142857, and then again it is 142857 and so on. So it repeats. You can see that it repeats after 6 digits. So this value is rational number, whereas this is irrational number. So that's the difference. But generally we use this 22 by 7 as pi, because to calculate we need some approximate value. So this is an approximate value of pi, it is not the exact value of pi. Now next, you have this natural, whole, integer and fractions. What is natural number? natural number, countable numbers. All these are countable numbers. When you have a box full of apple, when you start counting, you start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this natural number. Whole number. Whole number is, when 0 is also included with the natural number, we call that as a whole number. Integer. Integer, when negative also is included. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All these are integers. And the next is fraction, which is not an integer. So -3 by 2, 1.4, 0.003, 2, 0.1, 1 by 2, all these are fractions. So this is one category, and you have to be clear with this because mostly the problems will be given in such a way that x is a number. So you will generally go for the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. But when they say x is a number, it can be a fraction also. Specifically, you have to look for this x is a natural number or whole number or integer or fraction.